Little bit visualize for Tanusa because video I will send, but it doesn't have audio. It is little difficult for her to understand. Yes, I think it may be visible. Hmm. We'll open the module also. Hmm. So yesterday, just we saw the loop and conditions. This you see, this was the PPT yesterday. This I will send to you all. Then you can have this. The PPT is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tanusa, you can see once. You can take a glance. I will move it forward.
Okay.
See this. So these are conditions first. You see this example one. This example, what it is showing. This is the example of a condition. Yeah, three conditions are there in Python. One is if, one is else, and one is like one is elif. Elif means else if. If your if statement fails, the first one. If this first one fails, then it will go to second one. But if this first one executes, then it will not go to second one. We'll see some examples also later when we'll do this. And at last there is one default statement that is else. Now I'll ask one question. Yesterday I think Farjana was there, so she has to only answer. See, is else is mandatory? Else we have to keep for every if whenever we write if else we have to keep or it is optional. Is it mandatory or optional?
Optional.
Yeah, so it is optional. It is optional because if you don't keep else also it is not going to give error. It will not give error. Similarly, okay, if you are keeping if, the elif is optional or compulsory? Elif,
Compulsory, sir.
pakka, 100%.
Yeah, sir. Sir, please repeat it again once.
I was telling if we have if, then else is compulsory or else this elif second one. It is compulsory or it is optional.
When we have multiple conditions, we use ellipse.
Yeah. So already you know something about this. Then we'll not repeat. Yes, Tanusa.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So I think if you know, then it is very nice. So now another question. Can we write Elif directly? Like what you written here, can we write here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, then it will give error. So Elif is not, it can't, these can't come alone. First if should be there, then only. The else also you can't write alone. First if should come. Okay. Then only you can write if. Understood? So let's take this. There is one if. Now can I write another if also in this? Is it correct or it will give error?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nested if.
Yeah, so this is nested if. Yesterday also we saw that inside if we can keep one more. So this is one family. This is family living in the house. And this is the house. This is outside. The outside family. So this else belongs to this if. But we can't do this. There is no if. Directly we are writing else. This is inside. So there should be one if also. This is not outside. Somebody may think, oh, if is here and outside if is there, then what is the problem? No problem is there. This if is outside. Inside also there should be one if, then only this else if can come. This is nested. It is called nested if. Okay, I think Tanusha knows this. Then she will feel so much boring and that will not allow it, allow to happen. So then we see in the loops, we see in one example that we have to print 1 to 100. 1 to 100 we printed that day. And what we written for I in range 101 we put, because the last one it will check when the I value becomes 101, then it will check here and it is also 101. Then it will come out, it will not go inside, it will not go inside and print the I. Understood? So if this condition matches 101 matches, that then it will not go inside. Okay. So this is also one example. This okay, I somehow I shown it. I wanted to give a, but as of yesterday I given one. Okay, today we'll write the name of Tanusha. So we'll open new notebook. If you have system, you can do this also. Together you can do. Yesterday I told to write the Asmita's first letter with loops. How we written Farjana, see that yesterday we written for loop I, and then what we put, next step we put 5. Print this, but what we did, then again we did like this, same. And then what we did? Then we need a line. Okay. So now we are doing this. Line came. Two lines of two lines. Then again one. I already shown you this. Just I am showing you Tanisha game today. Okay. One. Resume it. See, now if so you understood now how to make how to do this? Now you have to make see in this T is written Tanusha's name. So now you have to make this. If you have system, then write the code and send the screenshot. Do you have system?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then try once. Once try. If you get, then just paste the code in chat.
Okay.
So by this, you will have practice of loops, making star patterns. Very good exercise. As yesterday I told to make a letter A. I told this.
So I'll submit that in the next class. So
Yeah, yeah. Good, no problem. Wednesday you can see because it will give you nice like this is nice exercise. Why? Later I will post so, many patterns, but it will give you nice exercise how for loop you can use C because when you make A na like now we are going to make T, but for T is simple. T is little simple, but A is little difficult, like more difficult than T. So here when we are making T, I will show you nested for loop. So now I will write. Let's see once. So first, what we want? We want a line on the top. We start from the top. Then we can do this copy and paste. We want a line. It will give me a line. Now I want a vertical line from this third star. Okay. So there are two ways. One you do like this. Size should be same 5. And first I will print space. How many times? 2 times. So this should be 2. Here condition also will use. You see once. 2 times. Then it should be in same line. Na? Then we have to write this. Then one time star we have to print. Then directly we can print. 1 minute. Is going in. See, this problem when it comes, na, you have to write one more print option because it is in single line when we are writing this. We have to for changing a line, we have to write like this. That is good. You understood what is happening? Any doubt? Then ask. Here in this letter will. So this is one method. Like now again you do. Again to copy paste this. How many times you have to do that? How much you want the. So every time you need a. This will say. Now can you tell me whatever I will print that will go in single line or in next line it will go. Now I will copy paste this. If I print this, so it will come in single line like this for loop. It will continue in this line only here. In this line only it will continue or it will come down. Can you tell?
It will come down.
It will come down. Why? Tell logic also. Why it will come down? See here and L we have to put. We have put. See this and we have put and equal to space. Then it should go in single line in that same line. But here you are telling it will go in different line. Why? Yes, yes. Why? Because after that here is print. See this. After this we did not put end. If we put end here, then it will go in different. It will go in same line. But after, if you don't put anything, then it is going to end with a new line. So it will come in new line. Now if you print, correct? Good. So how many times you want? That many times you have to put this. Now run this. We made it. I think it's looking too long. Good. So this is for Tanusa. We made her first name. But it's looking very big. See, and you are doing the same activity many times. See, this much is same. How many times? One, two, three, four, 4 times. And that is called the loop. See, you are using the loop, but that also you are using 4 times. So that is also a loop. So why not to put loop under loop? See once. Now we'll copy paste in one different. So this is our separate part. This is top part. Top part we keep here. Now I will take a loop for I use, so I will use J. For J in rain, how many times I want? How many times the thing is repeated? 4 times. I taken 4. Okay, 4 means I have to take 5. Then only it will come 4 because it will come one less. Now I will put this thing. What I want to repeat? This whole I want to repeat 4 times. Also come inside. And this should be now here indentation will matter. This should be inside of this loop. This loop. Then okay, this should be inside of this inside loop. Then it should go one inside like this. Correct? Now you are understanding? This is J, the outside thing. That is one loop. And inside that loop, this whole thing will repeat. How many times? 4 times because it is 5. So it will go 5 minus 1, 4 times. This whole will repeat 4 times. And that's what we want. Okay, this print will be outside because here also it is outside. Here also it is outside. Once this will complete space, it will give space, then it will print one star in that. So see, this whole thing is repeating 4 times. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Then put it into a loop. Now if I print this, got the same? Okay. It's becoming too long, then we put 4. Now good. Now this much big code became this much.
Sir,
Yeah.
what does the J indicate, sir?
J
Like,
is a, yeah. J is just a variable. This is just a variable. If you want to use this, like see, here I'm not using, just I'm giving some name. Let me try. See, I did not give any name. I just given dash. Then also it is working or not? See,
yes, sir.
but for good purpose, like for practice, good practice, we always put a variable so that if sometime we want to use that variable inside the function, then we can use. You understood? So that is just a variable, because without giving anything, it will not work. Something we have to give. Like this is a loop. So some name we have to give of this, because in range some numbers are there. So you have to take some name. Some names you have to take. So either dash also you can give. Anything you can give. I don't know. Star we can't give because that is this is, mm, only dash we can give. So because it is a authentic variable name. Because in variable also we can use the dash. So this dash we can give without, if you don't want to write any variable name, I, J, K, it is becoming confusing, then directly we can give this. But better, the good practice is to give some name. Either you can give some I here, some J here, something you can give. Now I want this outside print, one extra line is coming. Like extra line means this outside print something extra outside. I want you to do something so that we can include this inside only. Can you do that? Inside only I want to include it. Star I want to include inside. वजन बढ़ाना है तो सो जाइए. फॉल डाउन हो जाएगा आपका. फॉल इन करते करते फॉल डाउन हो जाएगा. नहीं अभी क्लास चल रहा है मेरा. यस, write in chat if you are able to do this. I don't want this star outside. I want inside. The hint is that, see, how many times I want this space? 2 times I want the space, and 1 time I want star. Here you can use variable. Now you have to put some conditions. See, the condition is that if 2 times, let's see this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6. See, 2 times if your j value, it is less than 3. Then here 1, J1, J2 and J3. If it is less than 3, then you have to print space. If it is 3, then you have to print one star. This is the condition. Now how you will write? Can you try in chat how you will write this? Write in chat. You have condition. See, if the J value is less than 3, then it should print a space. If it is equal to 3, or yeah, if it is equal to 3, then you have to print star. Write in chat. Anything wrong, right? Anything you can write. I'm not going to judge. Asrita, if you see when you see recording, then you should also write and post in WhatsApp group. I think you're not getting that. So I will just show this. You can remember nicely how to do this. See, once I will show you, then you will start doing all the questions. See, I don't want this print inside, outside. Remove this. I will put a condition here inside. If my j, so j value I have to put something 4, yes, so that it can be complete. If j is less than 2, okay, then what I want? I want this. This should go inside, yes. Any doubt? The print should go inside of this if. Here it should come or outside. What do you think? Inside or outside? Yes, yes, Tanusa. Inside or outside? Print should go inside of the if statement or outside.
Inside, sir.
Yeah, so this will go inside. Now, then elif or else also we can write as such. Else, because only one possibility is there. Else print star. Now just check if any problem it gives. Only problem may come here. Okay, let's check. So you see what problem is coming. Are you able to understand what problem is coming in this? Can you tell what is the problem?
J stars are printed in zigzag format.
Yeah. So this printing in zigzag form. Why? Because you have the outside is I in range 4. It means it will go 4 times. It will go 4 times. I will copy the one. Hmm. Okay. You see this? This top one, you know, this top one is like this. Star, star, star. Five are there or 4 are there? 5 are there. Yes. So 5 stars. Then next line it will come. And I in range 4. It means it should run 4 times. What it's running? First time J value is 100. Sorry. 11 to 1, I was very free. This time some messages comes from company. Because there I told that this time I am free. Today is product launch. Okay. So it will start from zero. First it will start from zero. I think we write written here 4. It should be 3 only. Because only 3 times you want. Then it will be how much? Then it will be 1. Okay. Because it is starting from 0. So j is starting from 0. First value of 0, j will be 0. So when it goes inside, okay, now we'll make it, this will change so that it may work maybe. This we have to do is 3. This will make as 1. So now this is the problem. Okay. Done, no? Now it's coming rightly. See what is happening here. It should be 2. Hmm. Now if first I'm checking j, here it is written 3. It means it should be less than 3 for loop. So now for first loop j is 0. So I will go inside. If j is less than 2, so what is the value of j? Is it less than 2? Is this condition is correct or not? Correct or wrong? This condition?
Yes, sir.
For this loop, it is correct because j is 0 and 0 is less than 2. Then what it will print? It will print for you one space. So it will print one space. Okay. Now it will not go to this because already this is done. So again, it will go to top, your loop. And this time, second loop, j value becomes 1 because once loop complete, then j increased. Now j value became 1. Now if j less than 2, is it correct or wrong? Yeah, you constantly you give answer, else I will think that I'm teaching to zombies.
Still, I have a doubt.
Yes, yes. Tell.
I run the program, but it not executed. So I
Can
didn't get any output.
okay, in code some error is coming or why is not executing?
No, sir, nothing error it seems, but code is not executed.
In Jupyter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like if possible, you send me screenshot on my WhatsApp. I
Okay.
will check once, yeah. Or else if you want, you can share the screen and so. Then also I can.
Yeah, sir, I will share this
Yeah, yeah.
screen.
If see once permission is there or not, else I will be permission. हाँ ले लो शाम के लिए हाँ लेके जाओ
Sir,
yes 1 minute I think some yeah it requires permission you are sharing na I think yeah this one yeah this one is your screen na so
yes, sir.
once run that beside copy yeah okay once first click on that box first click on that box no yeah now run okay yeah there is one mistake I think open it I will then show yes problem is that you have given the range till 2
Yes, sir.
and you have written if j is less than 2 then print space okay
Ah,
now don't put that space in space you put star once So it is printing, but it is printing space because you have given the range wrong. Once you put a star, yeah, close it. Now you see what? No problem. That you leave. It will print stars. Now you run. It means it is working, na?
Yes.
The problem is with the range. If that range you have given 2, and in the condition you are writing j less than 2. So always j is less than 2 only because range is till 2. Now you change the
Okay.
range and make it to 4 or yeah, 3 you can make 3. Now you write, you give the space there, like whatever you have written previously, you can check, you can do that. Do this. In print, you put the space down. That 3 is correct. In print, here, first print you put the space and second print you put the star. One space you give. Yeah. In this, you can put the star. Now you print. Is coming. One straight line is coming. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So once you stop, then I will share my.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now I think you are getting this. So here we saw this only. So the range, when you practice constantly, you practice this, then the range and this problem will be solved. This problem comes generally. So always you remember this range is a function and it has all the values from 0 to till the number it is given one less than that. So if it is written like this, range is 100, it means it has a number from 0 to 99. This much only it can print. As soon as it becomes 100, it will break, it will come out. So here we will see. So now j value is 1. So this condition is correct or not? Is correct? Yeah. So this condition is correct because j is 1 and 1 is less than 2. Then it will go inside. Now it will go inside and it will see what I have to print. Again, I have to print a space because this condition is true. Then what it will print, see here, it will go and print a space on the top. Okay. Now third times. Again it will not go here because the first condition is correct. So it will not go to else. Again it goes to here. Then j value will become 2. Now you tell me this condition is correct or wrong?
Wrong, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Farjana, you are able to understand this? Condition is wrong.
Yes, sir.
So this condition is wrong because j is equal to 2. J is not less than 2. 2 is not less than 2. It is equal to 2. It means it is wrong. So it will not go inside this. It will not go this because condition is wrong. Then where it will go? It will go to second one. Else it will go. So in else what is written? You print a star. So okay, it will go and it will print a star. And when it will print a star, you see after print there is no end. So what will come? It will come to next line. It will come to next line. It will come to again. The cursor will come here. Okay. Now for first loop, the I value also will start from 0. So I value is 0. Okay, now clean this. So this is 3. Okay, I will tell how it will come out. Now for fourth time, the j value will become 3. You see, as soon as j value will become 3, it will go here and it will become 3. and it will check with the range. 3 is equal to 3, break. It will not go inside only because it knows now range is completed. So after j equal to 3, 4 time, it will not go inside. Done. Now here you saw I value is equal to 0. Now I value will become 1 because now outside loop you see this is completed for one time, this whole. Now it will go here, I will go here. Here j was going. Now that was inside story. Outside story, I will become 1. Okay. Now again, now what will be the value for j again? Tell me. What will be the value for j now? Because outside loop is completed for one time. And for outside loop, there is one more loop inside that we completed here. See, here we went for 4 times. Now again, this loop, big loop, will again start. So again, what will be the value for j? Anything wrong, right? Any answer you will give, then we'll understand. You are understanding also, you are not. Okay, I will give answer, you tell true or false. Should it be start with 0? Will it be start with 0? Because now it is again became new loop. Yes, inside. So it will go inside. When I became 1, then again it will go inside. If you see there is a loop and j is going 3, 0 to 3, then again j will become 0. Again this same story will continue. J became 0. Again it will go to this inside. It will check j is less than 2 or not. And j is less than 2, yes, because j is 0. Then again it will print a, now again it will print a dash, but now in next line, because for last loop we came to next line, so it will print here one dash, one space. Again what will happen? Now again this inside loop will run. Now outside ran one time, again second time outside is running, it will come to again inside, then this loop will go again top. Then now j value will become, this is one time, the second time again the same story will run, j will become 1. And if j is less than 2, and what is the value of j? 1. So it is correct. Again it will print a space, because this, it will go inside, this will print. So now again the j value will become 2. So if j less than 2, so now it is correct or wrong? Wrong? Yes, it is wrong, because 2 is not less than 2. Then where it will go? It will not go to here, it will go to here, then it will print star. So now again it will print star here. So you are understanding, inside a loop, one more loop is going on. So loop under loop. Then again this big loop, because now again it is completed. Now again j will become 3. Our j, fourth time, our j will become 3, and 3 will match with the range, because range is till 3. Then it will come out, it will not go inside. Then again our inside loop will complete, again outside will come, and I will become 2. So this same thing, this one will repeat. How many times? How many times this is there? When I will become 4 and this will come 4, I will come 4 equal to 4, then it will end. Then this outer loop will complete. Then will come inside. Did you get it? Any doubt? Just let me know. Then we'll clear this. So in module one, two topic in this module there is one, two topics that will leave for now. That is not required for now, like exceptional handling as these things. This we'll see in Wednesday class sometime if possible. Any doubt? No doubt. Everything is clear or everything is cleared off. Everything cleared from the brain or everything is clear. Only two things can happen. Either you understood everything or you did not get it anything. So which case is this? Did you understand everything? I think it's now already you have taken lunch. Now you are getting sleep. We have more. Yeah,
He got it.
got it, na? Because we have more 1 hour 15 minutes remaining. Minimum not 15 minutes, then 1 hour minimum it is remaining. We'll complete at 4. We'll conclude it because it's not very big. It's not very big module, but it's very important and practicable module. Like we have to practice it so much. Okay. This example is there. So you have one question. Just write in your system and then let me know. You have to find all the even numbers. You have to print all the even numbers from 1 to 10 in the or 1 to 100. From 1 to 100, you have to print all the even numbers with the help of loop and conditions. Try, try. You're getting? I will write the code. I think you might have got. Not then you may see this. What I told, I want 1 to 100. So I am not going to write 1 to 100. So first I want the 1 to 100 numbers. So how I will get, I have to use a for loop, or we know only one loop. Later we'll see some other loops also. But for now I know this for loop and I have to use this because 1 to 100 I'm not going to write manually. I in range. So for 100 I want where to where. It will give 0 to 100. So I'm not one. I want this. Okay. And if I will tell. So when the what is the condition for a number to be even? Can anybody tell? Write in chat. What is the condition for a number to be a even number? How you will check the number is even or not? We seen in the last to last class operators when we were studying. I told there is a operator which will be very useful for finding even or odd. Do you remember? Everything is, I think, cleared off. Everything is clear. Yeah. Somebody written. Yeah. Farjana written number percentage. Yeah. So if this is a condition, so we'll put this condition. If I is our number, I is a variable. That's what I told. We can use this variable when we will require. So if I percentage 2 or modulo also we tell is equal to 0, then what to do? Then print that I, that is our even number it means. See. So if 0 is a even number, 0 is even number or not? So you get it, huh? You got it very easily. You got all the even numbers.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yes.
if we give the range 101 in a variable,
Yeah.
and if we present the range like in alphabet n, so it will come as well.
Okay. I could not get. Can you speak once more?
Like means first we have to describe that variable n equal to 101.
Okay. Yeah.
Then in range of n, we can give like that, right, sir?
N. Yeah. Yes. So you are, I think, telling this.
Yes, I saw in Java, sir, like that. So it is possible in Python also.
Like this you are telling?
Yes, sir.
This is correct, huh? Or you can make some variable. See, same answer is coming. You can make some variable outside and you can use that. See, in general, we do like this only. See, if you want to change something in a loop, you have to change many places your number. So this is called hard coding. If I am writing directly 101 here, this is called hard coding. This is we should never do. So rightly, very nice you told this. If we use the variables, so that is called a soft coding, and that we should do always. See, if any place you do hard coding, na, and like you write some number, then for changing this, you have to find where is that number and which number I have to change. See, if your code is very big, let's say 2-page code is there, because sometimes code is very big. So 2-page code is there. So modify that page. You have to change everywhere the numbers. That is not good. So always you should do soft coding. You should make always a variable and then you should do this. Then it is good. Okay? Clear? So in Java, what is the problem, you know? In Java, you can't write like this. You have to write here in teaser. Yes? Because you have to write data type also.
Yes, sir. We have to mention the data
Yeah.
type.
So
Yes.
Python has so much A's. Python is very simple that you no need to write any data type. Directly you can write. So this like this, it becomes very easy. So yeah, you can write like this also. And that's what I was telling. You can give this also. If I don't want from 0. I don't want 0 in my answer. So you can start your range. You can give your range from 1 to 101. If you don't give anything, na, then by default it takes 0. By default it will take from 0. But if you give some range, then let's take you have to find somebody tells from 10 to 100. Then you can write 10. It will give from 10 to 100. See? Understood? Now, okay, somebody tells, I don't want even numbers. I want odd numbers. Then how you will write? What is the condition? Don't want even numbers. I like odd numbers from 10 to 100. In Python also there is not equal to, na? How we write? Plus. No? Then you take this less than that. Yeah, how to write that? Hmm? Acha. Yeah, yeah, I think Farjana written. So this we can write it. Just we have to put here. See, all odd numbers are coming from 10 to 1 or 1 or 2. Then I think this much example is enough. We'll move to our problem. See, there are three things here. Break, continue, and pass. This will see. See, what this break does, our some loop is going on, okay? I in range, let's take 2 to 100, something like this. I don't want like what is a very waste number. See, I don't like 39. This is my I hate it. I hate this number. 39. I don't want this number. But I have to print from 2 to 100. But I don't like this number. And I see if this number comes, na, after this I don't like anybody. So as soon as this number comes, I want to stop. Or let's take in your home, there are so many rooms, 1 to 100 rooms. Not maybe 100, then 1 to 10 rooms. Room number 1, room number 2, room number 3. And in every room you are searching your mobile phone. We went in room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4. You went to room number 5, you got your mobile phone. So will you go more room to check? Will go ahead or you will stop here? Yes, speak. What you will do? You will go ahead or you will stop here?
Stop.
Yeah, you will stop here. That is the break. Similarly, if your loop is going on, one loop is going on from 2 to 100, so we can write one condition. If my I is greater than some number like 39, I don't like. If it is greater than or equal to both, greater than equal to 39, then what you do? Break. Just you write this. Then it will stop. You see the example. I will show the example. In this example only, I want if I is greater than equal to 39. I don't like this number 39. Then break. Okay, now you see. There will be no answer more than 39 or 39. See, 37. Till 37 only it is giving. As for 39 also, okay, I will print in one line so that you can see easily. See, so it is giving only till 37. 39 is also not giving. 39 is also odd number, but it's not giving because I put a statement break. I made it break. Okay. Any doubt? Yes. We'll move ahead. Now, second one is continue. You see here. Second one is continue. You have a loop. You see, I don't like 39. You know this, but I like after this. Others I like 30, 40. I like 41. I like everything. I like. I just don't like 39. Okay. Then if I continue, I write continue in this. Then what it will do? It will skip that. So if it skips a iteration, it skips a iteration. Iteration means the loop one by one, one by one. So that it will skip. Break, it is completely ending the loop. It is completely ending the loop. But when you are writing continue, it is just ending that's iteration, not whole loop. Next, it will go on. You see, if I write here 30 continue, and here write I equal to. If I is equal to 39, then it will not print 39. 39, are you able to see 39? It will not print 39 because I continue it. Continue means skip that, skip this. So you see here, it means it will not go where it went. Oh, okay. So it will not go here. It will not go down to this. Continue means it will skip. It will directly go from here to here. It will not go down. Did you get it? Continue also. First one is break. It will stop whole loop. Second is continue. It will just skip that. And as a pass is not required much now, we'll see it later if sometime finally. This is not a necessary. Now here the topic is infinite loop rescue. Sometimes what happens, we stuck an infinite loop. You see here. I give a range from 10 to 100. And this will not happen in for loop. It will happen in while loop, another loop. But just I'm giving an example. I written very big number here. And I written my condition. If I is greater than 0, then print this. What do you think? Always it will be greater than 0 or not? Always this condition is true because it is starting from the 10. Range is starting from 10 and 10 is always greater than 0. So all the numbers after 10 will be always greater than 0. You see, these many numbers will come. All are greater than 0. See, if I give some big number, then it becomes infinite times. It becomes infinite times. You see, not ending only because very big number I given. So there is another loop, while loop. We'll see that in that there is so much possibility of infinite loop. Nothing a big thing. You now only I will tell while loop. Let's see, for loop you are writing. For I in range, something like this. While loop is while direct condition. So in this loop we have condition. If I is less than 108. See here what you are writing. You are writing range is 108. It means you are telling I should be less than 101. This you are telling. Here you have to write like this. We'll see this. The same question we'll see with this. See this question. I will write up in for loop. But for for loop, first we have to define. I will start from 10. Then for loop I can put, you see, while I less than this. Now you see. What you are getting? All same number because first we written I is equal to 10. So in for loop, we were not increasing the value of I. Automatically it was increasing because range function was there. This range was increasing automatically. But here we have to increase the number. We have to increase the number. How we have to increase? We have to write always every time when we use I is equal to I plus 1. Now it will give you. Some problem is there. But, oh, okay. Some problem is coming. So once I will refresh it. Okay. Okay, this is given. Now I want hmm, what is the problem? Hmm? If we don't put this is working. Then somewhere it is going infinite. Somewhere already we used I. So this will happen when we are using constant same variable many times. We'll take a new notebook. But it's taking too much time to run. I think it's going infinite loop somewhere. We'll check once. When it is giving a star, na, star means it is running. We'll take another. With good practice. If errors are coming, then it means we are learning something. Problem is that it is going infinite loop. That's what I wanted to show you. How it is going infinite loop. See, when I'm not writing this, then it is okay. I will tell why. So I got for that purpose only I show you this example. Many great people are not able to find the what is the problem. The problem is here in this condition. So this is not a for loop, this is a while loop. I put 10. Okay. So this while loop I am telling till what time you will go till the time I is less than 101. Till what time will go till the time I is less than 101. See, I value is already fixed. So I will be 10 always. So it will be less than 101 always. Always it will be less than 101. So this loop will run always because I value is fixed. And inside what it is showing I value greater than 0. This is also always correct. Then it will print I. Yes. So this is the condition for this. Okay, we'll go a little fastly. Now if I change the condition, well see now it is printing. So first time what will happen? I is 10. Then while loop, it checks I is less than 101. Yes, correct. I is less than 101 because I is 10. Then it goes inside and it again checks I is greater than 0 or not. Yes, it is greater than 0, then it prints the value of I. I is 100. Now in this I value is not increasing. So now also I is 10 only. And this is the problem. See, now, till now, this is star only. See this is star. Are you able to see? This is star only. You see, it means now also it is running. So it is infinite loop. It is going infinite. It will never complete. See this. It will never complete. It is infinite loop. That's why when we are writing I plus 1, so it is not working because it is going infinite loop. So first we have to break this loop because always I will be less than 101. So it will go infinite. It will never stop because it's okay. First I will stop, else my laptop will become heated up. You can delete this, then it will stop. Alright, stop. Okay. Again, I will print this same thing. Now again, if you run, again it will go infinite loop. But now I will not run. I will first specify I should become I plus 1. Okay. What is the problem? Okay, let's see what it gives later. First, we'll understand this. Why, how it is going infinite. Let's see. First time value was I, and now it is printing 10. Now again when it goes, now again I value is 10 only. And again it will check I is less than 101. Again it will print 10. Again it will go I less than 101 because I value is fixed 10. And 10 is always less than 101. This is fixed. So it will be always less than 101. So this loop will never stop. But I want to stop this loop. Then what I can do? I can increase the value of I. Yes, I will increase the value of I. How? First time it will print. I will write outside I equal to I plus 1. So now when it completes this loop, this for loop, if I greater than equal to 0, print this. Then what will happen? Then it will go to this and I will become 11. Then it will go on the top, it will check while I less than 101. Yes, this is correct. So it will again print. Again it will go. Again I will become 12. So one time will come. Are you getting? One time it will come, then I will become 101. Like this, like 1 will add, then it become 101. Are you getting this? Any doubt? One time, one day it will become 101. Some problem in my kernel. See, if some infinite loop goes, na, then your system will give you a little trouble. Then you have to exit that program. Yeah, don't sleep. If you are getting sleep, just be awake first. See now, it is giving answer. So once you run a loop, it is going infinite. Then you have to again complete that. Like you have to cut that notebook. New notebook you have to take. See now you are able to understand. Now we are increasing the value of I. So one time it will become the I value will become one, not one. So it will break the loop. It will break. But without increasing your do na, it will go to infinite. Again, I am showing you. Again, I have to change to another notebook. But let's see. See, many it will come and it will go infinite. Infinite. This is infinite loop. You see how much it will go, how much down it will go. It will never stop. Like this 10, 10, 10, 10. It will print always. And now also it is running. Now also more it is printing. See, I am scrolling down. Then also it is there only because down also it is printing very fast. I have to stop this. I stopped. Then also in background it's going on. See here on the top my icon. Icon is timer icon. Timer. It means now also it is going on. So I will leave this. Yes. Any doubt? I don't think so. Any doubt is there? Yeah.
No, sir. No.
If any doubt, then we can stop. I think we can move ahead then. So we seen the break continue and everything, and we seen the infinite. And while loop also we completed. As such, while loop I did not include it in this because I thought I'll complete while telling you. So it is very easy. In this we give the condition first. So can you tell what is the advantage of while loop o- on for loop? Why we use while loop? What is that?
While loop will gives longer values, sir, like longer calculation.
Yeah. So in while loop, if we are not sure of the ending point, okay, if we are not sure about the ending point, then we can use the while loop. Because if you are using for loop, always you have to give the range. You have to give the last value where you want to go. But the while value, the good thing is that here you don't require the last value. Can you, like, I will give one example. You see, while, hmm, which example you should give? See, there is a security guard. Okay, he is standing on the gate, your main gate of your home house. He is sitting outside of the gate. Whenever anybody comes, then he has to allow to go to inside. And today there is a marriage in the home. Do you know how many people are going to come? Yes, you can tell how many cards I have distributed. That many people only will come. Well, let's see. You don't know how many cards you distributed, and you allowed for everybody. Anybody can come. And this also you don't know in whose home how many people are there. You just invited families. Families can come. Now, do you know the exact number how many people are going to come? Do you know? We don't
No, sir.
know how many people are going to come. Then we can't tell the watchman that if 200 people come, then you stop the door. Okay? You can't tell this. So you have to allow everybody. You have to allow till the time people are coming. So you can't tell any limit, any range to the security guard of the people. Then how you? So there is uh, the security guard has to open the door, has to open the gate. How many times he will open the gate? That we don't know. So if you want to write a code to open the door, if you remove the watchman and you put a robot instead of the watchman, and so you have to write the code for the robot. So you can't use for loop because if you use for loop, then you have to write the upper limit. As such, you can use for loop, but there will be so much hard thing. You have to put so many condition and these things. Directly, you can't use for loop because it needs the last number, the last range. But you can write while loop. How we will take a person, we'll take a variable where, okay, variable we take, we'll make it true. True. This is bool number. Or not true, then you make 0 or 1, something. I will take true. I will write a while loop. While where is equal to true. Then what you have to do? Print. Open the door. Okay? Done. Print the print, open the door. See, now here I'm not going to do this, what to tell, infinite loop. So I will put a break statement. If where is equal to false. Okay, 1 minute. So this is written. If it is true, then open the door. Here I want if where is equal to false, then what we should print? Print close the door. Now nobody is going to come. Close the door. I will write here false. Oh no. I forgot to put this. It went to infinite loop. A new notebook will take. So you can practice on this. I will share the module. Many questions will be there on this in the book. I made that for you all, that book. Okay, this should be inside. So indentation you maintain clearly. So you get close the door. Now as soon as I make it true, na, it will go to infinite loop. Or you can write always here where is equal to input. This is always string, but we want to change to bool. Then input this. And if it is, this is correct, print open the door. If this will put inside only. If where is false, then close the door. Else open the door. Understood? Now it will not go infinite loop. I want to save it. Here we can stop by our own sake. Now I will run this, see clearly. Now it is asking, please enter the true or false. So that person is good person or not good person. So I will write a true. Let's see what happens. See, open the door. Again, it is asking, please enter the true or false because another person came. So I will put again true. Again, it is asking, because we don't know how many people are going to come. So always it is running. But when I write false, then it will close. It will close. This loop will end. So the false means when everybody completed, then that robot can put, I can put false. Now you see, now it will not give. Oh no, there's some mistake. Oh, why again it is giving? Oh no. Here we have to save also. When we checked where is equal to false or not, and we have to do now. Now let's see what happens. Again we write here false. Oh, again it's fighting. The problem is this. This we are changing in bool. Let's make it. Alright. The problem with this number, instead of true, you put one. Now if it checks one, this you can take as in. Okay. And if it is equal to zero, then close the door. Else, let's run now. Which is the previous program is only running. This is the problem with this is going infinite loop. That is the problem. So once we try to make it will go infinite loop. Leave this. So once it goes to infinite loop, then again you have to take a new notebook. Now here we can do. What we'll do with number, then I will show you that true false. Okay. So now it instead of true false, we can write one or zero. The door. One we put. Again one I put, open the door. Zero I put, close the door. Now ended. Now input is not coming. You understood or not? Any doubt? Now I will put here, I will remove this. You may want to see with this true false. I think it will work like this. I am not sure. I am doing here only. False if we write, it should be a string. Now true false it should write. Now if I write true, again open the door. Oh no. Okay, I think this is we have to write. The true if we write, please enter that. Okay. Again true we write. Again false we write. Again it's giving. I think there is some problem with this data type. We have to check once. Like generally when we convert it into bool, this will give in a string, you know this. Input will give in a string format. Now when we convert it in bool, then it makes it 0 or 1. Here we are writing true false. This is also boolean. But I think in Python this is not working. This doesn't work. So we have to write 1 or 0. Then we can write here this. Okay. If I write like this string, if I write, then it will work. But already it went to infinite loop. We can't do anything. Now it went to infinite loop. Again, I have to change one more time. So you are getting anything or it's going on the top? You are able to understand how this infinite loop is working while and what is the use when we don't know upper limit. So it can go till the time we want. Okay, we'll not waste much time on this. Now I think you might have understood that while loop why we are using to go to something which we don't know. The we don't know the limit. This is very important and we are going to use so much later. So conditions and loops. See, in C++, there are three loops. What are those three? Anybody knows? Three loops. What are the three loops in C++? Anybody knows?
Do
Yeah. So the
while.
do while loop is not present in Python. This may be interview question. In interview, they may ask which loop is not present. Is do while loop is present in Python? It is not present in Python. So how to implement this will be the question I will give in assignment. Next in book also it may be there. So how to implement do while loop? How to implement do while loop in Python? Because Python don't have do while loop. Then how to implement? That you find. So we seen two loops. One is for loop, one is while loop, and in these two there are three things. We seen only two. Past we did not see. What is the requirement? Oh no. What we saw? One is break. This is very important. Break and continue. Later it will be so much useful when you write codes and this. It will be so much useful. So we are just seeing basics. These are basics of coding. We are not doing any very big coding. Just basics. If you know, if you then you will understand what is written, what is happening. So now we are going to see functions. See, function is like a machine. You give from this. See, you give flour. Yesterday I was telling flour, and it will give chapati. This is called function. This machine is called function. You give some parameters, you give some ingredients, it will create something and give to you. Yes, Farjana, you are awake or slept? Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
listening, sir.
So that video is not on. So I also think sometimes you all are sleeping or doing some other work or not. So see, we will give some parameter and then it will do our work and it will give output. That is a function. Already you might be knowing this normal thing. So this function will include some parameters. It will take some parameter, it will take some quantity, some variables, and it will give our answer. Okay. And why we use function? Can anybody of you tell? Directly also I am writing code, na? Directly also I am writing code, while loop, for loop, everything. Why we need a function?
For better accuracy.
Okay, better accuracy. Anything more? Anything else? Why we need functions?
It makes a code to read and understand it in
Yeah,
easy
so
way.
it makes our code easy. It makes your code readable. I will show you an example how it makes your code readable. When we are making this T, we are making T, okay, for I in range 5. This was there. And what I doing? I was printing this. This top one. And then for next, for I in range, this we got. Now I have to make more down. So what I was doing? I was doing this. Copy, paste, paste, paste 4 times. We got this. Yes? Is it you are able to understand? Okay. Now then what I did, I make a for loop, 2 for loop I make, one outside also I put. Now I will do this with function. Can you suggest how to do this? Do you have any idea? How can I do this with function? With the help of function? Yes, Tanusa. How we can do this with function? Yeah, first make a function. Let's create a function. We write like this: def with defining a function. You see here, def then name of the function. Any name you can give. I will give name. What name is would be Python? What name we should give? Okay, fun. Okay. Now I will give inside anything we have to give or not. Currently I don't have to give anything, any quantity, and then I can put whatever I want. This function. So I will put this in my function. Okay. The name is fun. So how many times this I wanted? 4 times. Now I will do a for loop. Put j in range 4 times I want. Or now I will not write this. Previously what I was doing in one bigger loop, I was writing this like this I was writing. Like this I have written. Now I will not write like this. Fun and done. I should came, T came. Now it is more clean or not? It is looking more clean or not? Same for loop we are using, 2 for loop. One is here and one is here. Same we are using, but it is looking more clean or not? Yes, it is looking more clean.
Sir, is it necessary to close that function at last?
Here, this one.
Last one, sir.
Okay, this
Last
one.
one. Oh, yes, sir.
Understood? whenever there is a function, this is mandatory. Whenever we call, whenever we'll do this, this is mandatory. This shows that it is function. See, range. This is also a function. Range. This is mandatory to put this. Else it will not run. It will consider it as a variable name. Till the time you don't use bracket, it will consider it as a variable name. You see, I will tell you how it is working. See, what it is happening, your Python is starting from here. It is not seeing top, it is starting from here. So it is saying for I in range 5. We have to do this. So it will print this 5 times. Now it goes down. It is seeing there is one more loop where for first j is 0 and inside written fun. So where is this fun? It will search where is this function. So it will find this here. Fun. This is a function. And in this what is written? There is a loop. There is a loop inside. So again it will go one time. First time I is equal to 0. And then it will print 2 times this already we ran. And then at last third time this print. One time it will run. Again it will come down. Now our done. Our work is done. Then it will come down. Again this range for loop. It will j will become 1. Again it will go and call the fun. This function it will call or fun. Okay. This function again it will call. So again it will go there and it will see again there is a loop. So this function will be called 4 times. So again we are doing the same thing. We are using 2 for loops. One loop is outside, one loop is inside running. But this whole thing we written in a function. So it becomes more readable. You understood? It becomes more readable. So anytime this fun we can make here. You can make a function. You can do this. Okay. Any doubt? If there is no doubt, we'll end here. We've seen the functions also. If any doubt, then just tell me. Everything is clear?
Sir, please
Yeah,
share
recording also.
recording.
So it means there is some problem in the explanation. Recording I will share. Today audio is also there. So I will share the recording and you can see if possible if you want to see. And again, you just let me know that have you got any doubt or anything. Then Wednesday class we can discuss. There is one more thing, lambda function in this. That we'll see. And this we'll see later. This is not required much. And then we'll see the global and local. Wednesday we'll complete this with a project. We'll make a ATM simulator. This is very nice project. Yeah.
Sir, will you explain for loop with some more
For loop.
examples?
Okay. Now or in
Yes,
Wednesday.
sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Wednesday.
For loop will more example. I will find some animations also if we can have. For loop and while loop will focus more on that because our this module is almost completed. Only we have two things to do. One is global. One this will do our assignment is there, ATM simulator, and then we have one more thing, local and global. Exceptional handling will not do now. Do it later if time permits. Lambda function is there. If we want, we'll have time, then we'll do. Else, this is also not that much big. Only 2 minutes concept. Okay. Then should we end here?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I think Tanusa is very happy to will end here today. More than 2 hours will not be bearable. Yes. So did you take your lunch or now you're going to take?
Now
Oh
I
no.
have to take.
You, Tanusa?
No,
Oh,
sir.
taken. Oh no.
No, sir,
We are
not yet.
sacrificing your lunch, Sunday lunch for class. Then you can suggest if like you have to sacrifice your lunch, then we can keep on some other time. Right? It may not happen that in between class you bring your plate and you are taking. So next, yeah.
Sir, this will be the regular timings or else it will be at 11 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, as you both like discuss, like all of you three, you tell whatever time is comfortable for you all three, then that time only we can do. But just one thing, if you can let me know before 2 3 days, then accordingly I can plan. Today I have to like cancel something. So if you can tell,
So we are okay
okay,
with the timetables, but
okay,
some
okay,
particular days we are
then
not
that is okay. So 11 to 1 is
available.
okay, and some particular days like today it was some problem. Okay, we can adjust that. Okay, then
Yes.
we'll end here. Okay. So Asrita also, when she sees this
Okay, sir.
recording, so she also can have any doubt, then next class she can ask. Okay. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.